To nurture the best in your relationship, focus on communication, empathy, and mutual respect. Start by actively listening to your partner without judgment, understanding their perspectives, needs, and emotions. Express your own feelings openly and honestly, fostering an environment of trust and understanding. Regularly engage in meaningful conversations about your relationship goals, values, and aspirations to ensure alignment and growth together. Practice empathy by putting yourself in your partner's shoes, acknowledging their feelings, and offering support when needed. Show appreciation and gratitude for each other's efforts and qualities, fostering a positive atmosphere. Keep the spark alive by prioritizing quality time together, engaging in activities you both enjoy, and being spontaneous. Resolve conflicts calmly and constructively, focusing on finding solutions rather than blaming each other. Remember to compromise and forgive, understanding that no relationship is perfect. Finally, prioritize self-care and personal growth, as being the best version of yourself strengthens the foundation of your relationship.